Are you a beginner? Would you like to capture videos from your home? Do you want to turn your drawing room or dining hall into a studio? Then this is the video for all of you. Hi, hello, namaste. I am Deepashri. Welcome back to your favorite channel, Learn with Deepashri. Today also I plan to shoot outside. Since it was raining, I just shifted my location inside. As you can see on the screen, this is my dining hall cum drawing room. I turned into a home studio. The simple thing what I did is, I just pulled my table and a chair, but it was not looking okay. I added one more screen as a background. This gave me a complete setup of studio. If you're planning to shoot a video for the first time at home, please keep couple of things in your mind. The first thing is lighting. For shooting this video also, I'm not using any external lighting. I depend on sunlight for shooting my videos. Tip number 2, look for the plain background like this. If you don't have a screen like this, go for a white background. A wall which is completely plain. That gives more elegant and professional look for your videos. Tip number 3 is a tripod. If you can afford a tripod, please go for a good quality tripod. In this video, as you can see, I am not using any tripod. I am using a very simple trick and fixing my smartphone in a pen stand. Tip number 4, try to avoid external disturbances. Shoot accordingly where you don't have any external disturbance of traffic. Smile, be confident and start recording. Enjoy your shooting. Thanks for watching my video. If you're watching my video for the first time, please click on the subscribe button and bell notification so that you'll come to know which other videos I'm uploading. Stay tuned throughout my YouTube journey and let me know in the comment section how do you find this video. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye, take care, namaste.